Welcome to HRM and payroll software. So today I am gonna show you how to install this software in the local version. So at first you should go to the Google and write down a gem, and when you enter the gem, at first you will found a Apache friends.org. You can also click on the download. So you can simply download for the jam for Windows, the Linux, and the OS version also. That's been the Mac version. So that's it. So simply click on in here, and it will be in general download. So I have already installed it, and now I am searching on the jam. So maybe where I install. So in general, I have installed in my C drive. So I'm in here in the jamcontrol.exe. I'm clicking on it and found the interface. So you need to start the Apache and they start the MySQL. So after that I will go to the myadmin. From here you can create a database at first. So you can it will be the HRM or anything you can create, and just simply create in here. You can see, and then you will when you are downloading the software, so then copy and go to the XAMPP and find the htdocs definitely, and you should make a folder like this. Okay, so I have already make a folder. It's called the HRM, and the paste in here like the database and the zip file, and must sure you need to extract the file from here like this. So you definitely need to install a extraction software like the WinRAR or something else. So simply, so I have already did it, and this is the file. Actually this is the file. So at first what I should do, I should do the drop the SQL file. Okay, so from here just select the HRM and go back and just drag it and oh sorry. Okay, so you can go from the import to choose the file, and where your file is located. My file is the XAM, the htdocs. Sorry, let me try again. So XAM, so it's HRM in the SQL. Just select this and just go. It's have been installed. Okay, so install it, and now I go back and the core option, and then I will go the core. So now I will go to the core file, and then the core file, and then I will definitely found the env file from here. And here I'm just the database name is HRM, because I have created that database in here, the name of HRM. So whatever it will, so you need to for the local database, you need to username will be the root and the password will be the blank, and then control S, or here you need to save this. Okay, so when it's done, then now you should go to the browser and write the localhost slash, and make sure what you have writing in here like the localhost, the HRM, then the core. If you click on this is the file path actually. So I'm writing the HRM slash CORV, and then just press enter, and boom, it's working fine. And then you can make sure the credential admin at the rate gmail.com 1234567 and just enter in here. Yes, that's great, and already have installed it. No problem. Thank you.